Fermented fruit juice has long been used as a natural and effective way to promote plant growth and health. The process of fermentation involves the breakdown of sugars in fruit juice by beneficial bacteria and yeasts, resulting in a nutrient-rich liquid that is easily absorbed by plants. This natural fertilizer is packed with essential nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that can help plants thrive in a variety of growing conditions. One of the key benefits of using fermented fruit juice in plants is its ability to improve soil health. The beneficial microorganisms present in fermented fruit juice help to break down organic matter in the soil, releasing nutrients that are essential for plant growth. This process also helps to improve soil structure, making it easier for plants to access water and nutrients. In addition, the organic acids produced during fermentation can help to balance the pH of the soil, creating a more hospitable environment for plant roots. Fermented fruit juice is also a rich source of nutrients that are essential for plant growth. During the fermentation process, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids are produced, providing plants with a readily available source of nutrition. These nutrients can help to promote healthy growth, increase resistance to pests and diseases, and improve overall plant vigor. In addition, the beneficial microorganisms present in fermented fruit juice can help to improve nutrient uptake by plants, ensuring that they have access to the nutrients they need to thrive. Another benefit of using fermented fruit juice in plants is its ability to stimulate root growth. The organic acids and enzymes produced during fermentation can help to break down compounds in the soil that inhibit root growth, allowing plants to develop strong and healthy root systems. This can help plants to better withstand environmental stresses, such as drought, heat, and cold, and can also improve their ability to take up water and nutrients from the soil. In addition to promoting plant growth and health, fermented fruit juice can also help to improve the overall health of the garden ecosystem. The beneficial microorganisms present in fermented fruit juice can help to suppress harmful pathogens in the soil, reducing the risk of disease in plants. These microorganisms can also help to improve soil structure and fertility, creating a more balanced and sustainable growing environment. By using fermented fruit juice in the garden, gardeners can help to promote a healthy and thriving ecosystem that supports plant growth and biodiversity. There are many different ways to use fermented fruit juice in the garden. One common method is to dilute the juice with water and use it as a foliar spray or soil drench. This can help to deliver nutrients directly to the plants, promoting healthy growth and development. Fermented fruit juice can also be used to inoculate compost piles, helping to speed up the decomposition process and improve the quality of the finished compost. In addition, fermented fruit juice can be used to activate biofertilizers and other organic amendments, enhancing their effectiveness in the garden. Overall, fermented fruit juice is a valuable and versatile tool for promoting plant growth and health in the garden. Its nutrient-rich composition, beneficial microorganisms, and ability to improve soil health make it an excellent choice for organic gardeners looking to boost the productivity and vitality of their plants. By incorporating fermented fruit juice into their gardening practices, gardeners can help to create a more sustainable and resilient growing environment that supports healthy plants and a thriving ecosystem.